This video is brought to you by Asset Infinity. Today, we'll show you how to scan Asset RFID tags using Chainway C5. From the C5's mobile application, we'll navigate to the Pending Audits tab to see the list of open asset audits. We'll select the audit from the list and move forward to viewing the asset audit details where the list of assets will be represented. From the list of 5 assets, we are matching 3 tag codes with the displayed asset code in the asset audit list for user understanding. While staying inside the audit, we'll now move on to scanning the 3 tags shown during the comparison, but the 4th asset tag from the list being in the scanning radius of the handheld will also get scanned automatically and get populated in the list of scanned asset RFID tags as shown. We'll move on with marking all the 4 scanned assets as present by navigating to the blue action button on the bottom right corner. Once completed, the status of the assets would change to present in the list. Please note that any unidentified tag inside the scanning radius may give a pop-up notice as shown here. We'll now navigate to the home screen using the top left home button and move down to Pending Audits tab. Again, we'll view the audit details to view the asset list and move down to the non-verified asset which was not picked up by the scanner. We'll now select the non-verified asset and take action on it by marking it not present to update the asset status as it was not scanned during the audit scan. We'll put the remarks as not present and click update to update the status of the asset. In the audit list, you'll now see the status of all the assets, both scanned and not scanned as present and not present. In the case of non-existing tags in the system, scanning one would give you a pop-up notice stating that the scan tag is invalid, as shown here. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you use Asset Infinity more efficiently.